So, hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. Till now we saw different algorithms of the machine learning, and we also went through the different concepts of the machine learning algorithms, and we saw algorithms in three basic structure, that is what actually the algorithm is about, and what is the basic meaning of the particular algorithm, and how we can implement it, and a demo on that, and application or a disadvantage or advantage of that very uh, algorithm. So now I'm moving forward with one of the technique that we use in data pre-processing, that is called one hot encoding. One hot encoding is a process by which categorical variables are converted into a form that could be provided to ML algorithms to do a better job in prediction. That is, if we, let me take the pen. So, one hot encoding is a process by which categorical variables means that those variables which are categorically divided are converted into a form. It is converted into a form, that is it is converted into a form so that it can be applied to ML algorithms to do better job in prediction. So it is basically uh, sorry, so it is basically a conversion of categorical variables into a form, that is this is what one hot encoding we can say, in one sentence, that is it is a process in which categorical variables are converted into a particular form. So what exactly that form is, so now we will discuss. It is a stage that is performed in data pre-processing. As I already said, it is performed in data pre-processing step, because in that stage only we have the actual data with us in its actual form as well. As we know that most of the machine learning algorithm cannot perform on labeled data directly. So as we can see that most of the algorithm, that is like unsupervised learning algorithm that we have, that don't work, that they can't work on the labeled data directly. So they require all the input and output variable to be numeric. So in that case, all the input and output variables need to be numeric. That is, the variables need to be unlabeled. So the one such way of like converting labeled data to numeric data is one hot encoding. So one hot encoding is what? Converting labeled data to numeric data. That is converting a categorical variables into a form, and form is what? Numeric data. So now, as from the like the word itself, that is encoding. Encoding is what? To give some different code or some different form to a particular to the previously defined form. So that's what encoding is called as. Okay. So now, like in case of the variables that are categorically with the absence of an ordinal relationship, integer encoding is not enough. That is, if we have like categorical variables with us and having ordinary relationship, then in that case integer encoding is not enough. That is, integer encoding means that simple integer encoding, that is to just give integer numbers to the different variables that we have, is not enough in that case, because of like the absence of the ordinal relationship, that is the difference, the relationship that can have between the variables. Because of that absence, we cannot give only integer encoding in that case. Using the encoding, thus making the model assume a natural ordering between the process, can end up in poor performance or unexpected result. So as we are providing integer encoding in that case that module will assume natural order between the processes, that is natural order between the variables. In that case, it will result in poor performance, as it is assuming, that is model is assuming that a natural ordering is there because of integer encoding. So in that case, poor performance or unexpected results will be there. So that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. In the next video, we will surely see what are the different like what is the solution for this problem, that is why what we can use in place of integer encoding in that case. That is the case we have with is this one. And The second thing is that you got the definition of the like one hot encoding from here. So this line is very much important, and so so that's all. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Stay blessed.